Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make good Christian friends that will stand by your side through thick and thin. Now keep in mind, this is the first episode, so stay tuned for the rest of the episodes to this series on how to make good Christian friends. Now let's get into the video. Hey, what's up? It's Tyler here with Tyler's Devotions. On this channel, I post weekly Bible devotion videos that provide you with insightful tips on how to improve upon your spiritual life. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Alright, let's get into the video. The book of Proverbs provides a lot of helpful tips when it comes to godly relationships. And the first tip that God has for us is that we don't need to listen to our sinful friends. Yeah, that's right. God is basically saying that we need to watch who we hang out with. Because sadly, even God knows that we tend to start acting and talking like the people that we hang out with. And God tells us in Proverbs 13:20 this: "Walk with the wise and become wise, for a companion of fools suffers harm." So what I got out of this Bible verse is that if you walk with a sinner for long enough, then you'll become a sinner. If you walk with a Christian for long enough, then you'll become a Christian. But God also says that we don't need to be hanging out with people who are short-tempered, because He said that if you hang out with people that are short-tempered, then eventually you'll build off their character and you'll become short-tempered as well. God also clearly states that you need to be particular about who you hang out with and who you make as your friend. And this can be found in 1 Corinthians 15:33, and it says this: "Do not be misled. Bad company corrupts good character." So this verse is basically telling you that if you have a friend who has a bad character and you have a really good character, then God's basically telling you in this verse that if you hang out with them long enough, that you can develop a bad character like them. And you can also develop a bad temper. If your friend has a bad temper, then you can develop a bad temper from them as well. And Paul tells us that it's almost impossible for a non-believer and a believer to be very close to each other. He said that it's like comparing lightness and darkness. It's like light and dark having fellowship together. And you and me both know that light cannot be where darkness is, and darkness cannot be where light is. So it's basically impossible. People that believe in God, like me and you, and then non-believers have different ideas on life in general. They have different goals in life. And you and me should both know that Christians, like you and me, have a different purpose in life. But in the end, we need to remember that God has already warned us that sinful friends can be a dangerous path to go down. And it can lead you to becoming a sinner as well. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until next time, Tyler's Devotions provide you with the best tips and tricks for your walk with God.